Okay, fault conditions. Start 2, 1 and 8. 8 means the time is out. If 1 comes on, you press 1 again. If 1 is battery, 2 is siren. So it's complaining about the battery and the siren and the time. Okay, so I broke the siren. Let's just put the resistor back. It should fix it. And if I put the battery back, that should fix that problem. And then we can just set the time. Okay, setting the time. Star 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 hours, minutes, month, dag, day, year. Okay, so that problem should be gone. It's still showing. That takes a while for the thing to catch a wake up. Still showing 1. Still complaining about the battery. Okay, but I think it will catch a wake up. Give it enough time. Just unplug the thing. Oh, and then I'm gonna kill the time again. Okay. See. Put the power and the battery back. Now it's gonna complain about the time again. Okay, only 8 comes on, so it's now happy about the battery and the siren. Okay, let's see. Star 6 hours. First 1 and then the hours. Hours. I think I did it wrong now. 05, 03. No, that's fine. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's happy. Okay.